Samsung Galaxy A53 just got unboxed. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you all doing well. Samsung Galaxy A53 is unboxed before its official launch, and yes, we get the official pricing of this device. Every specification of this device is confirmed since we just got this device in Serbia. Samsung Galaxy A53 went on sale before its official launch, and it seems like Samsung doesn't bother. Samsung Galaxy A53 unboxed by a Vietnam-owned YouTube channel where we see the device in blue color, and it is more of a meme content than an official unboxing video. Although Galaxy A53 is almost look like its predecessor Galaxy A52, but yes, this time you'll not get any adapter in the box, only USB Type-C will be included in the box. Samsung are going to launch a couple of devices in this event, including A73, A53, Galaxy A33, Galaxy A23, and Galaxy A13. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Did you like the design of Galaxy A53? Samsung is going to launch Galaxy A53 in its A-series event on 17th of March 2022. Samsung Galaxy A53 will have 6.52 inches Super AMOLED 120Hz Infinity O display and under-glass fingerprint scanner. It comes with the Exynos 1200 processor, which may be called Exynos 1280, and will have 4500 mAh battery, not 5000. Will have 4 lenses on the back: 64 megapixel main lens, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel depth sensor, and 5 megapixel macro. Samsung Galaxy A53 was first unofficially go on sale in Serbia, and now in Kenya we see the device, where buyers can scoop up the unannounced Galaxy A53 for $400. It's not the first time that we see Galaxy device were revealed ahead of its launch, since Galaxy S22 Ultra already got leaked before its official launch on 9th of Feb 2022. Samsung Galaxy A53 will come with 128 gigs internal storage and 8 gigs of RAM, but I have only concern about its processor because since it's Exynos, I still have doubt on its performance. As of now, we get all we want to know about Galaxy A53, then Samsung's 17th March event could be a dull since we already know how the device will look like. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Do you like the design of the Galaxy A53? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.